Hi, I'm Jenny. I'm going to sing Not Like the Movies by Katy Perry. Hope you like it. He put it on me, I put it on. Like there was nothing wrong. It didn't fit, it wasn't right. It wasn't just the size they say. No one they knew. I don't know. I didn't feel the fairy tale feeling. No, am I a stupid girl for even dreaming that I could? Not like the movies, like how it should be. Yeah. And he's the one that'll come undone, and my world will stop spinning. And it's just the beginning. Yeah. Snow White said when I was young, one day my prince will come, so I'll late for that day. They say it's hard to meet your match. Gotta find what better half, so we make perfect shape. The stars align if it doesn't stop burning. If you can't see the sun, wait for it. 100% with every penny spent will be the one that finishes your sentences. If it's not like the movie, that's how it should be, yeah. When he's the one that'll come undone, and my world stops spinning. And it's just the beginning. Oh, oh, yeah. 'Cause I know you're out there, and you're looking for me. Oh, it's a crazy idea that you were made perfectly for me. You see, just like the movies, that's how it will be. Cinematic and dramatic with that perfect ending. Oh, if it's not like the movies, oh, that's how it should be, yeah. When he's the one that'll come undone, and my world will stop spinning. And that's just the beginning.